Hello, everyone. This is Rakhi Rupani, Communications Coordinator for BNI here in the UAE. Today, the people whom we are going to be speaking with, one of them is Moin, and Moin's been a BNI member for over 3 years. Alongside, we have Pankaj Gupta. He is now the Executive Director of BNI Dera Dubai. So both of these members, Moin and Pankaj, they have together started BNI United, a permanent online chapter. So let's get talking to them and hear more about what BNI United is all about. Hey guys, hi Moin, hi Pankaj, how you all doing today?
Doing very fine, Rakhi. How about you?
Great, thank you so much for being here with us. Before we get started with any of the questions, I want the audience to know who you all are in terms of what your company represents and what category do you represent in BNI. So can we get started with, let's say, Moin.
Hi, Raki. So my name is Moin Mohammed. I run a web development and design company, and it's called InfoQuest. I represent the business category with BNI as the web design and development.
Great. And how long have you been a member for?
I've been a member for over 3 years now with BNI.
Okay, that's great. How about yourself, Pankaj?
So, Rakhi, as a member, my journey has ended in 2019, right? And I started my journey 2013 with BNI Insomniacs, representing SMC Comics International DMCC, which is actually part of a listed company from India. And we are into financial service domain. So commodities and currency trading was my category. But thereafter, I moved on to launching the chapters and now as an ED. So I'm no longer a member, but yes, I'm very much in BNI.
That's amazing, Pankaj. Thank you for sharing that with us. Let's get started with the questions. My first one is for you, Moin. First of all, congratulations to the both of you to launching the BNI United Dera chapter. This is the UAE's first permanently online chapter, I believe, and it's the fastest to be launched. How long did it take for it to be launched?
Thanks a lot, Raki. Yes, indeed, BNI United is the first and the fastest launch permanently online chapter, and it took us less than 2 months to launch it actually. One of the reasons why we made this launch so easy was that we had a very clear plan and an agenda on how to achieve this milestone. We worked tirelessly and ensured to have it launched on 13th of April 2021 as planned.
That's amazing, Moin. Pankaj, for all the audience out here, what exactly is a permanently online chapter and how do you differentiate it from other chapters that are currently meeting online?
So Rakhi, like so far in this challenging times, all our chapters are online chapters. Okay? Everyone is meeting on Zoom and they are meeting online. When everything is fine, we feel safe and we come back to the room, the normal chapters will go back to the room to meeting, right? But for this online chapter, it will always be doing that one meeting, that weekly meeting on Zoom. That's a major difference on this. Then how would these people meet? These people will start doing a monthly social. Right? Other chapters, as you understand, we do socials maybe 2 times in 6 months. Some chapters do 3 times. But these chapters will have 6 socials in a year, in 6 months' time. So every month they are doing a social where they meet. About their one-to-ones. So a lot of people are asking this question. They can meet in person. They can meet on Zoom. Is very much allowed. Both the one-to-ones are valid one-to-ones and they can grow up their businesses like that. So this is the primarily difference. About the cost for entire BNI membership is absolutely same. The only difference will come that when in-person chapters will go to the hotel venue, they'll have a weekly fees for that venue. This chapter will not have that cost. Another thing which has come as a change for this chapter, that since it was not more, in-person chapter. We are not worried about how would people commit time to reach a venue, in office hours. And that's the main reason why we have all our BNI meetings early in the morning, so you don't miss it. It's the first thing you're doing. This chapter meeting we have set up at 10 a.m. So people will log in by 9:30, which is practically office time. So from 9:30 to 11:30, 10 to 11:30 is the official time for this meeting. So these are few differences this chapter has. That's what I would like to say.
That's amazing, Pankaj. Couple of things. It's very much clear, and it's thank you so much for sharing that information here with all of us. Let's hear from you, Moin. I mean, you've spoken to us about your membership. Tell us what inspired you to become a launch director.
That's a wonderful question, Rafi. The biggest foundation for me was Mr. Pankaj Gupta, Executive Director of BNI Dera Dubai. His support, motivation, and trainings actually inspired me and helped me to take up these challenging roles, which in turn has boosted my confidence in personal life and in my business too. And with that motivation, I work towards building and creating new communities to help business owners be successful. And that's when they remember you in their success stories. And this has again inspired me to give more in building new chapters as a launch director.
That's amazing, Moin. How did you get started, and where do you see yourself now?
It took over 7 years for me to attend a BNI meeting. And the very first meeting I attended, I realized the power of BNI and its great advantages. BNI has now become an integral part of my business. I have been a member for over 3 years. As a member, I was able to connect and build a great business relationship with a lot of members, and also was able to create my business visibility in no time. I was the chapter president of Gladiators in the previous term, and now as a launch director, I have a very clear objective and a vision planned ahead for my growth in BNI Dera region.
That's amazing, Moin. Pankaj, who's the right target market to be considered for a permanently online chapter? And what are the advantages for that?
So, Raki, let's look at people. When all our chapters, when we are meeting, and you, me, been a long time into BNI. Indeed, Moin had been in BNI.
Mm-hmm.
In our visitor orientation room, how many times we find people saying that we travel a lot, we cannot commit to our weekly meeting time. Or, oh, sorry, I have kids. I cannot be committing every week early morning. I have to take care for my kids. Now, kids traveling is one thing. What about because of early morning meeting? I am a businessman from Ajman. I am businessman from Sharjah. I'm businessman from Russell Khema. Do I not want to network and grow my business, especially in the main city like Dubai? All these are people who were not able to join BNI. This online concept opens up door for every one of them. The only concept what we are looking for, that they should be willing to come to that social, drive down here for that social, right? Meetings every week, yes, they can do. And I would say, okay, if a person is able to come in 4 socials out of 6, is it okay? Is it connected? Yes, he is. That's my target market. So woman, working woman, wearing dual hat, definitely as a woman, you understand, in home there are so many things in the morning. They are more than welcome. The timing suits them, online suits them. People from distant Emirates, you yourself is a printer. You know how many printers out there in Russell Khema or Ajman who would benefit by getting into BNI. Yes, they are welcome. Then, travelers. We have, Dubai has so many business people, and believe me, affluent business people who travel 20 days in a month.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can they be on a Zoom meeting while they are traveling? Can they still be networking back in their town?
They can.
So online meeting makes it possible for them.
That's great. That's
That's my
specific
target.
target markets. Yeah, that's very specific out there. I think it's going to be very helpful for the audience to identify if they are fit to be joining an online chapter. My next question is for Moin. Tell us a little bit about the members who are a part of the United chapter. Are they of different profiles generally, or tell us like what stands out about amongst them?
Unity in diversity is what I say for BNI United members. They are all committed to help each other with the specialization they bring in. They are in the process of growing themselves. At the moment, there are enough categories to make the chapter self-sufficient to do networking and passing of their referrals. The unique thing that makes them outstanding is the way they have skillfully and willingly adapted to the very own online platform.
That's amazing, Moin. Where do you think is the vision? Like, what is the vision going forward for BNI United now that they have launched?
Right. All the members are highly motivated to grow their chapter size to 40 plus in the next few months, as they have understood the importance of the chapter size and its benefits from the trainings. At the moment, they are learning more on BNI and most importantly, planning and drawing a realistic action plan to achieve their chapter goals.
That's amazing, Moin. Pankaj, now you are the executive director for BNI Dera. I believe you have 4 chapters with you currently. So
You're right.
Tell us about like being executive director with 65 members in 2 chapters. And today in total, you are over 135 members in 4 chapters. That's 100% growth in 12 months. It's incredible. Where do you see yourself next?
So Rakhi, you know what is next is my problem, is my biggest problem, and I always live with this question on my head. So next is very simple. I have a very clear, audible goal, and I have out loud declared to my region also. 2021, I am just removing the 0, and my target is 221 members at December 31st, 2021. So that is the target which I had written and created along with my BNI Dera region team in kickoff for year 2021 gathering we did on Zoom. Now, how will I reach there? So definitely these 4 chapters, they can easily be 40 member chapter. They adds up to 160 members. So I'm working very closely with chapters to gear up to 40 members chapter. And why? It is not for my vision. The least matters is what Pankaj wants, right? My focus is completely how can this chapters have a strong network and a strong protective net for them, that if the challenging time comes, they have enough team members standing by them, with them, supporting them, that nobody slips through the crack. It will be most painful for me when a member of BNI slips through the crack, not able to sustain his business, even after having so many support people. So I want to have enough support system in each chapter. So I'm working on balanced chapter concept. I'm asking, going out loud, asking members, who is your referral partner? Even now I was writing a blog and I was working on that blog with one of the member only. I said, you have extended sales team, right? It is you who would tell them what do you want. You can ask them to bring you transactional referral. One client, one time. So in case of your business, you connected with somebody, he asked a printing job done, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, doesn't matter. But that's all done, right? What if you develop your channel partners with this extended sales team? How easy is it that your extended sales team is connecting you with somebody, telling him, oh, Rakhi has the same customers. And, if I connect you with Rakhi, she will connect you with probable clients for you. And in turn, you can connect her with. Exactly. What if you develop such 5 channel partners in a year? And in turn, they bring you 50 clients in a year. That's the power I'm trying to create. And for that, you need people. You need people in your room. With 40 people in the room, there's a high probability of people being able to bring you referrals. When they bring you referral, you are able to do more business. When you are able to do more business, your BNI membership is bringing you much more value in terms of monetary benefits also. Yes, relationship, learning is always there. When you are getting the monetary benefit and a very good monetary benefit, will you become advocate of BNI?
Definitely.
Right? So my title, my slogan is simple. My passion is your growth. My passion is your growth, and I'm a selfish man. I grow when you grow. So don't take me as a saint. Don't take me as a saint. I'm doing everything to grow your business because I know when you grow, I will grow. That's my vision. 221 members by December 31st, with the help of these 4 chapters being 40 plus, and another chapter which Moin has already declared to launch on 15th of August. Right? So that chapter will be the 5th chapter before 2021 end. And I will work on looking at a possibility if between August to December, we launch one more chapter. Another vision is very simple. I want to have DCs and ambassadors. So my leadership team for the entire region. Every chapter shall have a DC, shall have an ambassador, very well supporting them. So that's one thing. Another thing is Moin is already a launch director with me. I am looking to induct another passionate member who have the right attitude and willingness to learn and step up to take them on a launch director journey. So that's my vision for, until end of 2021. That's what I am working on.
That's very nicely put, Pankaj. We wish you all the very best. I mean, congratulations once again. It's a great journey for all of you to be, starting the online chapter, and there's so much to look forward to. Good luck to both of you. Final question for both of you would be, what one tip do you have for the members reading or listening to this?
So Moin, you go first.
Right. My one biggest tip for today to all would be a quote from Napoleon Hill. Whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can be achieved. So never ever stop believing in your actions and goals.
Awesome.
And for
Pankaj.
See, for me, I would just say one thing. Feel the power you have. Together, we can do anything you want. Together, we can do anything you want. Somebody rightly said, if you want to run fast, you may choose to run alone. But you want to run longer, you need people to be with you. You need to be together in a group of people. I don't know any living being, any living species who walks alone.
Exactly.
Right? So if anyone out there is alone, you are against the behavior of the nature. So let's come to the group. We are willing to handhold you. I'll do anything which is required to support your growth.
And together we wrap up this conversation. Moin, Pankaj, thank you so much. It's a lot of information. It's a lot of nuggets that our readers and our viewers will be taking away. And with that, we wish you all the very best with BNI United, BNI Dera Dubai, extending and growing your supports and networks. So all the very best to you all.
Thank you, Rakhi. Thank you very much.
Thank you.